Hey Elite family, it is Steve, and today I am so excited to bring you a brand new series called Bands Only. This is a spin-off series from my series Road to Recovery. Now, if you want to know why I started working out with bands, I will put episode 1 up here from the Road to Recovery series, and you'll see why. Now, I've actually been working out with bands for, it'll be 1 year this month, so why not show you my exercises that I have been doing for myself and with my clients. And now obviously if I'm training someone, I'm going to demonstrate an exercise with weight. But for me personally, all I've been doing is band work, and I'm very happy of the results. I finally reached a personal goal of 200 pounds. I'm actually 202. I'm 5'8", I'm 52, and I feel absolutely amazing. Now, one of my mentors just recently, Sylvester Stallone, mentioned that he uses bands, and look at him. So, if you are interested in 7 awesome band exercises, then stick around. Well, thank you for sticking around. Are you ready to see these exercises? We're going to have 4 of them standing, 3 of them on the floor. Now, in regards to bands, the reason why I love bands, if you're a brand new person to working out, use a light band. If you're someone who works out all the time and been doing it for a while, use a heavy band. If you're crazy, use 2 bands, double up on them. All right, this is going to be exercise 1. So technique with all these exercises are very important because there's many areas that you can cheat. So try to be as mechanical as possible when working with bands. The first exercise is we're going to be up like this. Your palms are going to be facing in. Now what you're going to do is you're going to come back with the band and the palm will be facing out. And when you do that, you're going to retract your scapula. You're going to try to pinch that scapula together. So like this, and bring it in like that. Just like this. So we don't want to do this. We just want to here, and then you feel it. You'll feel the muscles in the back pull in that scapula when you do it correctly and the palms are facing out. All right, exercise 2 is brutal. So you're going to start off like this. The band again is around the wrist. You're going to come up, and at this point you're parallel to the floor. You're going to try to bring your elbows in as close as you can, and then you're going to widen. Then you're going to bring it down and come down like this, and you're going to see how quickly you're going to burn out right in this area, right in here, in the shoulders, in the upper trap. It is brutal. So again, I'll show it to you. We're like this. We're going to come up, try to bring your elbows together, open up, come back, and come down. And you're going to see very quickly how hard this is. All right, next one I really enjoy because this is like maintenance on the shoulder. You're going to have your hand onto your chest. You're going to pinch this elbow down, and you're going to externally rotate like that. And do what you can. What you don't want to do is you don't want to, as you're running across in this arc, is lift the elbow up. You don't want to do that. You want to keep it down as best as you can and come across like that. Number 2 and this number 3, when we string them together, you're going to see how horrible the feeling is. But that's progress. All right, the next one, we're going to work on those triceps. We're going to come across twice, and then we're going to go straight down. So again, it's across twice, and then straight down like that. And feel that tricep burn. All right, I'm going to meet you on the floor for the last 3. All right, this first floor exercise is like a glute destroyer, especially the medius. So again, it's just all the technique, because there's many ways to cheat on this one, on all of them. So we're going to come up, we're going to come across, we're going to come down, we're going to come up 1 and 2 and 3, and you'll see how brutal it is when you come across and hold it for a 3 count. How right here is just going to be ignited. So again, you're going to come up, you're going to come across, You're gonna come down, you're gonna come up, and that hold right there is brutal. Come back. All right. The next exercise, you're gonna have a second band. Put her on your wrist. You're gonna have a little bit of a back on the torso here, and you're just going to extend as you widen, just like that. And that in itself brings us, it's all its joys in the quad. All right, the last one. So most of my clients can't string left and right together. They have to stop in between this exercise. So what you want to do is, we're going to be up like this, and one leg is just going to descend while the other holds. But we're going to add, we already have tension in the ab wall underneath the rib cage, so you're going to just come up like that to the sky. It's a small, maybe an inch movement, and you'll feel what your ab wall feels like. All right, so those are the exercises. Let's begin. All right, now that I have shown you all the exercises, let's work out. We're gonna do 10 reps of each. Are you ready? Put some music in the background, and here we go. Hold that scapula right in, right there. Did I do 10? I'll just add another one. All right, this one, which everyone hates. Here we go. Up and open, down. Try to touch. I think we're at 8. I'll add one more just for happiness. Oh gosh, that's tough. All right, here we go. It's just crazy coming off that last exercise, and you'll see what I'm saying, especially if you do it at this clip. All right, last one standing up. How are we doing? You'll see the burn. Last one. Yes. Almost done with the standing up ones. Six. This is brutal. 7. Now it's brutal with a heavy band. All right, I'll meet you on the floor. Okay, here we go. Come up, come across, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3. Here's 1. Here's 2. Here's 3. 4. How you doing? 5. We're halfway there. Is it burning yet? 6. You'll see. 7. 8, 9, oh my, 10. Alright, I'm going to flip around. Make sure the camera gets in focus before I start because it loves when I move. It just loves blurring out. So I'll give the camera a second. I'll give you a second to adjust. And here we go. So come up. What do you think? Did you ever think how much that would burn your glutes? I just get the opportunity. I love my job to work out with some great athletes, just great people. And I love just coming up with exercises to help people. It also helps that, you know, I go to school for an ASM all the time. You have to continue your education. You're always learning new stuff. I completely lost my count. I don't know what that was. Let's just do one more. Okay, let me come back over here. Listen, they say it's healthy when you sweat. I'm already sweating. Alright, so this next exercise, wait for the camera to get adjusted. I think you can see me, yep. Alright, come back a little bit and then ten. 9, 10. Man. Alright, this one. I'm telling you, if you have to like pause in between these two, I'm okay with that. Here we go. Oh, man, that's it. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. Smash that like button. I want to say hello to my new subscribers, to my existing subscribers. The channel is kicking butt. If you like the series, hit that like button. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. Take care and peace.